Hello guys, in this video, we're going to talk about how to create a free QR code for your business. So hit that like button so that our video reaches more people. Now let's get started. Are you using QR codes to make it easier for people to learn about your brand? It would be easier for people to be redirected to your landing page or to your business page. QR codes are now seen everywhere. As people enjoy the fast pace of almost everything, QR codes are now being used for doing payment transactions, redirecting people to a website or a registration page. The use of QR code is endless. You can think of anything to make it easier for people to do transactions, and the users have to use their mobile's camera to be redirected to the URL that you have set using your QR code. Now let's get started. How to create a QR code. If you want to create a QR code for free, you can use your PowerPoint. You need to install an add-in so that you can create a QR code using your PowerPoint. You will see a pop-up window for searching for Office add-ins. By default, you'll access the store for Office apps. Now type in the QR keyword. On the search results, look for QR for Office. Then click Add button. You'll see this window to agree to the license terms and privacy policy. Now click Continue. Once added, you will see a QR for Office section here. If this is not visible, you can access the QR for Office add-in by clicking on the My Add-in option. It will show you a pop-up window of Office add-ins that you have added. Now here's the QR for Office add-in. If you want to use a link to use for your QR code, add the URL link here. This allows you to enter the URL or text that you want to encode. When you click on the drop-down list, you will see the other options that you can use for your QR code. You can use this HTTP for website links. You can also insert an email address, phone number, SMS, geo, or custom text to encode. You can have options to edit the color of the QR code and the background color. Now choose a color that suits your brand. Then you can adjust the size here. If you are using it for your PowerPoint slide, you can adjust it to a larger size. Now click on the Insert button to add your generated QR code to your slide. Anyone who would like to use this QR code can use their mobile device's camera, point it to the QR code, and it will redirect them to where you have set this QR code. You can use this on any of your Microsoft Office applications such as Word documents or Excel. Just access it under My Add-ins, and you can find the QR for Office add-in. Now let me show you another way to create a free QR code for your business. Now let's create a business card on Canva. Then choose a template. You can look for the option to add a QR code on Canva. If it's not visible in this section, click More. You can find the QR code here. Now you can see the QR code tab here. Now you can add the QR code on your business card. Now let's generate a QR code. From this section, type in the URL where you want to redirect people using your QR code. Now copy and paste the URL where you want to take users who will use the QR code. Now click Generate Code. Adjust the size of your QR code, then edit the text or logo. Once you're done, you can download this. Now here's the card with a QR code. When people use this QR code, they will be redirected to your business page. Next, let's talk about where we can use QR codes. If you have a restaurant or a store, you can use the QR code to access a restaurant's menu, which makes it easier for people to choose what to order. Now, if you have a physical store, QR codes can be used for transactions, such as payments. It will make it easier for your customers when paying for things on your store. If you have a business, you can use the QR code as a way for users to view a card, or you can create a free voucher using that QR code. Next, QR codes can also be used in flyers. When people receive flyers with a QR code, it can help them get to the topic relevant to what is shown in the flyers. They just need to use their camera to redirect them to where you want them to be. Next, you can use QR codes whenever you are promoting an advertisement. On your social media posts, you can also add a QR code to the image that you'll upload. People can use it to scan your QR code and redirect them to the URL that you have set. Next, let's talk about where QR codes can point to. If you're conducting online classes, you can use QR codes for your students. They can use and access the QR code as a way to set their attendance and access their exams or homework. Now, if you're promoting products, you can use a QR code on your social media post, and your followers can view that QR code. Instruct them to use the QR code to claim a special prize or download a special discount coupon. QR codes can be used to access a Facebook page or any of your social business page. If you need to turn every prospect into a client using hyper-personalization on Facebook, LinkedIn, emails, and landing pages, we have a marketing app that can help you get more replies, conversions, and sales from every message you send. It's called SellItPicks. You can personalize image messages for LinkedIn prospecting and personalize image messages for Facebook marketing. Direct outreach is the simplest way to win new clients and grow your business. First, find leads using social sites, directories, and search engines. Create a prospect list of your best customers. Next, collect contact data for your reach out. Choose the right reach out strategy. Select the right channel for your client and market. Then send your message. Reach out and start turning leads into customers. So try SellItPicks now. Go to the URL gosellitpicks.in. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.